Okay, so boom, you got a podcast and you want to add visuals to it. Or maybe you just want to make a short film or a documentary to showcase your storytelling skills. Or maybe motherfuckers want to create a slideshow or presentation for school. I don't know why you need why you want to do this, but you're gonna need a video editing software to edit your footage in a creative and professional way though. You also need a video editing software that can add titles, credits, subtitles, voiceovers, sound effects, and a lot more. What it do, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel where I share tips and tricks in branding, production, and multimedia. Straight up. Today, I'm gonna show you my top 5 video editing software apps that you can use to maximize your creativity and make dope videos. You heard? Whether you creating the next blockbuster, the next Netflix special, or you just adding some sauce to a vlog, the right video editing software gonna be clutch, bro. I'm telling you. So let's not waste no more time and give these people what the they came here for. Ski. Alright bro, it's hella video editing programs available on the market, but not all of them gonna suit your needs. To choose the right video editing software for your specific needs, you should consider these factors. What's your budget and what's your price, my boy? What's the price? Your experience level and your skill level. Are you new to this? Do you know a thing or two about a thing or two? Or are you a pro? If so, what the you doing here, bro? Go on somewhere. I'm teaching my people, man. Come on, man. Come on. Quit trying to steal the sauce. And last but not least, your overall creative vision and goals, man, because that's really what matters at the end of the day, like all jokes aside. I have both paid and free apps on this list, but all of them have their own, premium or paid version. All right, coming in at number Teezy, we got InShot. InShot is a free app that you can download on your phone or tablet to edit videos and photos. It has a simple and user-friendly interface, and it offers a lot of features such as adding music, text, stickers, filters, effects, transitions, and more. You can also adjust the speed, crop, trim, rotate, flip it in reverse, your videos, all that. InShot is cool for making like quick and fun videos for social media platforms like TikTok, the Gram, YouTube, Facebook. And you can download InShot from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Honestly, bro, InShot is like reliable to me. I've been using InShot for years. I made plenty of trailers, plenty of promo videos, just simply using InShot. So, hey, I ain't complaining. Couple pros. It's super beginner friendly. It's great for quick edits and like social media content. The cons is limited on advanced features for more like a casual use, like a little mini vlog or something, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody finna pay you to edit no goddamn video on InShot. And if they do, plug me in. Nah, I'm kidding. All right, coming in at number 4, CapCut. CapCut is another free app that you can use on your phone or tablet to edit videos. It has a powerful and easy to use video editor with professional features such as keyframe animation, smooth slow motion, chroma key, picture-in-picture, and stabilization. You can also add music, text, stickers, fillers, effects, transition, the whole nizzy. CapCut also has a smart AI feature that you can remove the background of your videos. You can generate captions. You can add voiceovers. You can also collaborate with your team and share your videos online. CapCut is available everywhere. You ain't even really got no excuse for not having no video editing software. If you got an Android, iPhone, a laptop or computer, it has a web-based app, a mobile app, and a desktop app. So, couple pros: intuitive mobile editing, cool effects and transitions. And me personally, I like the auto captions features. That's a cool feature. The cons, honestly, I don't have too many cons. The only con I have is limited to mobile devices. Coming in at number 3, Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a free online video editor that you can use on your browser or desktop. It has a drag and drop interface that make editing videos easy and fast, for real, for real. You can trim, crop, resize, merge, split, flip it and reverse it, adjust the speed of your videos, all that jazz. And you can also add text, transitions, effects, filters, colors, and you can add music to your videos, you know what I'm saying? 𝗪𝗵 got some smart tools that can help you enhance your videos, such as removing background noise, upscaling resolution, color correction, and background removal. They also got templates that you can use to create videos for different purposes. 𝗪𝗵 is compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11. Sorry, Mac users. 𝗪𝗵 is web-based. They say it works with any device. I've only seen it with Windows. Pros is very user-friendly. It's got a browser-based editor, and you can make quick edits. And the cons, it just has like limited features in a free version, not major. We're getting to the top, baby. We're getting to the top. You should know the next two. Coming in at number 2. Oh, y'all might kill me for this. But number 2 on my list is Adobe Premiere Pro. See, Adobe Premiere Pro is the industry standard. It's a professional video editing software that you can use on your desktop or laptop. It's a part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite of applications that you can subscribe to for a monthly fee. Adobe Premiere Pro has a lot of advanced features that let you edit videos with high quality and precision. You can edit multiple video formats at up to 8K resolution and 60 frames per second. You can also use tools like color grading, audio mixing, motion graphics, visual effects, transitions, captions, and more to enhance your videos. Adobe Premiere Pro also integrates with other Adobe apps like Photoshop, After Effects, Audition, Media Encoder, whatever. You can download Adobe Premiere Pro from the Adobe website or the Microsoft Store. Premiere Pro is fast and powerful, but it's also expensive. It also has a steep learning curve and complex interface that can be overwhelming for beginners. It was definitely overwhelming for me in the beginning. Pros, it's an industry standard, bro. You can't beat that. You want some good quality? Get Adobe. It got extensive plug-in support and regular updates. Cons, the subscription cost might be a little steep for beginners. Because if you just trying something out, if you just beginning this, you don't want to have to pay like $20, $21 a month to practice. That's wild. When there's like free alternatives on the internet. But I ain't telling you what to do. All right, then coming in at number 1. Drum roll, please. Coming in at number 1, DaVinci Resolve. Let's go, baby. DaVinci Resolve is my number 1 editing software because it combines editing, color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production. It's an all-in-one software tool, man. It's used by the Hollywood professionals to make featured films and TV shows. It supports up to 32K resolution. I didn't even know that went up that high. And 120 frames per second. It also has a lot of amazing features like HDR grading, Fairlight audio processing, Resolve FX plugins, DaVinci Neural Engine, and multi-user collaboration. I love DaVinci. The best part about DaVinci Resolve is that it's free. You hit free. It's free from their website, Blackmagic Design website. There's also a paid version of DaVinci. It's called DaVinci Resolve Studio. That has some extra features for like $295. See, DaVinci Resolve is like a rocket ship. It can take you to the moon and beyond with this incredible quality and creative tools. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, that was in my script and that was so whack. It's available on Windows, Mac, Linux. Pros, it's professional. Hollywood use it. Why wouldn't you? The color grade though, honestly, all jokes aside, the color grade, the robust audio post-production, and industry level features, just straight up. The cons, now it's a bit of a learning curve. Like, honestly, that's a understatement. It's a learning curve for DaVinci for sure. All right, man, so there you have it. My top 5 video editing software apps that you can use to make your videos dope as now you equipped with the sauce and the knowledge. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no excuses, bro. Go get it. Just remember, Just remember, it's not about which one is the best, but it's really which one is the best for you and your creative journey. DaVinci Resolve might be #1 on my list, but it's bottom tier on yours. Just go forth, edit like a pro, and remember, even if it's your first video and it sucks, hey, at least it's funny. Thank y'all for tuning in to the channel. Make sure you hit the like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, get it.